Now that you have some collections, let's return to the editor and place your collections on the homepage to create a clear layout. First, let's revisit the featured collection. Since we've added products, and all products was the default collection, your page will show everything. For some stores this makes sense, but if you have many products, it might not. To change the collection, click the featured collection, and then change the collection in this dropdown by clicking it, and then replace. Here you can choose something new. Then you'll have a bunch of options to control how the products show within the collection that you've selected. And for my collection, I'll set the product count and the columns to 4. And then I'll also change the color scheme so this stands out, and I might change that to color scheme 5. That way we have some more separation section to section. And if you want, you can edit how the collection title is displayed by simply clicking on it to edit. Here I'll replace title with whatever I want to rename the collection. You can also display multiple collections in any section as well. Click back, I'll collapse this, and then add a section above this featured collection. From here, choose one of the collection lists. The preview here can help you make a choice depending on what you would like your site to look like. Click one of them to add it. Then click on the list so that you can edit. Next to collections, click select, and then you can choose the collections that you want to feature. I'll add all of these and I'll click select to confirm. Like we saw before, you have the same formatting tools to change how this collection list looks on the page. Because I'm showing the products in the new arrivals collection in the section below, I'll make some adjustments to this collection list so that we de-emphasize the new arrivals in this section. To do so, I'm going to change the type to carousel, and then I'll make it 2 columns. So that will emphasize just these first 2 collections given the sizing. I'll need to reorder them, so I'll click change here and change collections, and then I'll uncheck new arrivals and then recheck it to order. Click select to confirm. Down below, I can change the color scheme like we've done before. Finally, if you go back and collapse this, you could build out the hero section on your homepage, add other sections, or you could hide the sections that you aren't using to keep your homepage simple. I'll hide the hero for this tutorial, and when you're happy, click Save.